Good morning. It's definitely early in LA right now. So I'm trying to get Venice Beach right now. First, we gotta do some stuff. And after about 30 to 40 minutes, you're in Venice Beach from Hollywood. And this is the best place to get all the way from the back, to walk to to that side over there. Super nice pavement for the skateboard, You might know Venice Beach from a couple of things, of course, which Muscle Beach, for example, you will see a lot of hot shots out here. But check this out. You got sports, souvenir shops and all that. So you're pretty set out here. Here's a little bit of history right there. Muscle Beach, Venice. Muscle Beach, Venice.